Hi everyone, my name is Evie. Welcome to my channel, and let's crochet this beautiful Rasta color beanie. And yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and leave a comment. This is what I'll be using: a green yarn, a mustard, a red color, and a black one, my 3.5 mm hook, and my pair of scissors. So to start, I will double up my yarn and then I will chain 10. So make a knot and then chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The chaining 10, I will place single crochets all through. So go on with single crochets all through till the end here. And at the end here, I will chain 1 and then work at the back of the loops here. I don't know if you can see because it's a black yarn. At the back of the loop, I'll go on with single crochets, and then I'll make a length of 24 inches. So go at the back of your loops with the single crochets all through. So I did a total length of 24 inches when you stretch. So the next thing, I'll be working on the other part. So for the brim, is it brim? Yeah, I'll be placing double crochets all through till the end of the row. So go on with double crochets on each stitch all through, from this end to this other end. Here at the end of the row, I will just take the other end and place a slip knot. Place a slip knot and then continue with double crochets all around, and I'll be placing double crochets around the cap, the hat, and this part I will sew it later when I'm done. So go on with your double crochets around your work. So I've done 10 rows of double crochets. I'll go ahead, cut the yarn, and then work with my green yarn. Remember to double it up. So I will cut my yarn here and join the black and the green one together. And then go on with the double crochets, and I'll make 2 rows of the green yarn. So I have my 2 rows of green yarn. I will go ahead, cut the yarn, and then join this other color, the mustard color, with the green color, and then continue with the single crochets, with the double crochets. So I will continue with the double crochets all through. Now for the last color, that is red, I will join the mustard and the red together, and then continue with the double crochets all through. So this will be the last color that will be changing. Continue with the double crochets all through, and pardon the noise at the background. So double crochets all through. Now back to the black yarn, I will join the red and the black together, and then finish off the beanie with the black yarn. So just place double crochets, weave this in all through till the end. I did 13 rows of the black yarn. So the next thing I'll do to secure the edges, I'll just go around with single crochets. So place single crochets all through from this end to this end. I'm done doing the single crochet, so I will place a slip knot and then yarn over, pull through and pull it tight. Then I will weave in this the remaining yarn like that. So the next thing I'll do, I'll make a strand, a drawstring to adjust here at the end. So for the drawstring, I will make a knot and then chain a length of 30 to 30, however you want the length. So that just go in with the chain, and I did a length of 37 inches. So I will cut off the remaining yarn. So I will make a slip stitch like so and pull it tight, then make a knot, and then take my beanie, turn it on the other side, and then sew here. But I will not sew, I will go in with single crochets. So I will take my yarn to close this off and go with single crochets. Sorry about that. Go in with single crochets like so. from here till here at the end. So after doing the single crochets, I will cut this off, then I'll turn my work like so, and then this will be in the middle at the back like this, so as you can hide this, you know, the part, that part. So I will go ahead and attach my drawstring, and for the drawstring I will just place it like so all around from this end to this end. So turn it like this and pull through like so. So go on till here. After attaching, and that will be it for the beanie, so you just pull like so, and then yeah, that's it for the beanie. Thanks for watching.